Introducing HelpVu, an AI-powered narration tool to help the visually impaired. One of the biggest challenges a visually impaired person faces is navigating their environment and identifying objects in front of them. This may include recognizing objects and people, as well as reading bills or notes. Currently, the visually impaired depend on methods such as using a white cane, a guide dog, or relying on their hearing and their other senses. However, this merely confirms the existence of an object, but not its characteristics. It can also be costly and inaccurate. In addition to this, reading out their bills at restaurants, notes, or any written text requires the presence of another person, as these smaller fonts are usually unrecognizable. So, our solution. In an attempt to help the visually impaired, we aim to create a mobile application that helps them contextualize the world around them by 1. Identifying objects and people around them, and 2. Reading out their handwritten or printed letters and bills. HelpVu uses AI tools like object detection, computer vision, optical character recognition, along with text-to-speech to help the visually impaired navigate the world. The first use of HelpVu is object detection. Using TensorFlow.js real-time detection, specifically its pre-trained object detection model, our mobile app is able to determine the object in front of the user and translate this text to speech. The user's mobile phone camera helps to perform real object detection on the go. Let's take a look.
I can see a laptop. I can see a laptop and a keyboard. I can see a cup. I can see a laptop. I can see a cup, laptop, and a person.
The second use of HelpVu is text detection. Using optical character recognition, our app extracts text from an image either taken in-app by the user or an image from their camera roll. Our app then converts the text to speech and reads the text to the user. For this part, we use the Google Cloud Vision API to detect and extract text from user-uploaded images. We then use the Expo Speech API to read this text to the user. We integrated these into our React Native app to create a cross-platform application.
To do, review Chapter 12.
These are a few of the technologies we employed. A couple challenges we ran into included integrating the two parts of our app, so object recognition and text detection, as well as adding voice controls to our app. A few technical challenges we encountered were integrating the React Native app with Firebase and the Google API, wrapping JavaScript framework to cross-platform application, solving binary errors and dependency issues while building production builds, and finally, converting the outputs of the object detection as the inputs of the text-to-speech engine in real time. What is next for HelpVu? We would like to integrate the object detection and text extraction elements together into one React Native app. We would also like to make the whole app usable by voice command by implementing the Google Voice Actions API. Thirdly, we'd like to make the Firebase storage accessible to users so we can start building accounts and allow users to access previously uploaded data. And finally, we'd like to add more features to HelpVu, perhaps a voice-controlled map or a chatbot. Thank you so much for listening.